Hey guys, today I will show you how you can download and install Deep Rock Galactic Rock Core game on your PC. So first head over to the Steam website and just create the Steam account. So just click on the sign in option you will see on the top and just scroll down, click on the create an account and just go ahead and create account on Steam. After you create the account on Steam, just click on the install Steam option you will see on the top and just download the Steam and install it on your PC. After you install the Steam, just open it up and click on the top search box and just type Deep Rock Galactic Rock Core game and you will find this game on the top. So just open it up and scroll down, click on the add to cart option and then click on this option of view my cart and then go ahead and simply pay the amount for this game. After you pay the amount for this game, just go to your library of Steam, find this game and just hit install. That's how you can download and install this game on your PC. If you find this guide useful, consider liking this video and subscribing to the channel.